I'll just go like this. Wow, it's even cooler through my phone.
Like lightning lit it up.
Yeah. My phone's a little slower, but it looks better through it, Dad. The show must go on. Garbo. Hi.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm recording it. Someone's coming down the road.
Something's climbing way up.
Hopefully they do.
Yeah. I can't tell if that's last minute start from the last one. It's still sparkling.
No, they're continuing going forward.
Alright.
Oh.
Yeah, there it goes.
Whoa! There was some lightning in that one.
It looked like it went from down to up.
Might have. It happened. It happened. Wait till you see your first ball lightning. If you ever get a
Is that the
chance.
one that branches from branch to branch to branch?
No, it's
Oh, I have it too high up.
a great big
Ball
bright
of lightning?
white ball.
Oh, that's
Wow.
Scary too.
I bet.
Dude, when I was a kid in Colorado, it was really red, white, blue, and green. They didn't want to set up and do it again tomorrow.
I know, right?
I know it. Me and Cece's one of them. You gotta go to Tulsa and help mother-in-law.
Again on Monday?
Yeah, probably gonna have to be up there.
Oh,
filling
actually,
them up.
turn it. I accidentally turned exposure on. How did I do that?
I have no idea.
Oh, I got it off. There's some lightning.
My ball! It went
America. It's America. Okay, come on now. Give me that one in the finale.
I know, right? They did a big old finale, right?
This can't be all. Oh, there's the next one. Oh, some thunder too, or lightning. Wow, this is gonna be cool. I might actually post this on my channel, Dad. You know, my hands are being quite shaky.
Rocket red glare.
Come on, more. There we go, there's more.
Somebody lives over
Oh, actually,
They're hustling up. There's another race.
Yeah, it looks like midnight tonight.
oh. Ooh, there's some lightning behind that one.
Come on, guys.
Cool. Oh, why do I keep turning that on? Oh, that's not. There we go. Oh, I hear another one. There it is. There's puddle.
Yeah, there's a huge puddle, man.
I'm trying to keep an eye up there. Good thing I'm wearing shoes that are designed for water. Am I in your way?
No, you're good.
Okay. Is that the finale? Oh, I heard another one.
Of course, there's the lightning strike. I got a good video of it, Jeremiah.
I missed the first part.
You go get my phone out of the house.
I missed the first part of this part of the finale, but I got the second part when I made it out here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, some lightning in that one too. And there's firework.
I tried to catch it like 3 times. I paused there and missed it.
I'm over here. Try my best not to accidentally turn exposure mode on. Yeah, that one came in good. Oh, some lightning with that one, and then more fireworks.
Would you look at that? Look at it.
Half of it's blocked by the poles, but I'm fine. I'm over here. Yeah, I met her when I walked over there. Hi.
Love
Oh.
you.
Here comes more rain.
Watch for the puddles. There you go. Yeah, it showed like the rain.
accidentally put focus mode on again. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's finale.
Yep. I tumbled slightly, but I caught myself. Which means I missed the first 15 of it.
Oh my god, I just took it off.
Ooh. Any more? Oh, there's a whistle.
That was me.
Oh. There's one. And I just saw it through my camera too. I can do that whistle too. The falling something whistle. There we go. Oh, almost untied my shoe.
Oh, jeez, Ken.
Did not scare me because I expected him to do it.
What? I didn't do nothing.
Ooh, some thunder.
Jeremiah did it.
I just have a third hand to throw stuff with.
There was some lightning.
You do it all the time.
Not only that, you didn't usually.
Ooh, ah. That one was red, white, and blue. Whoa. I just barely saw that in my camera.
Actually, it's Japan, not China. No, that was Japan.
Actually, the U.S. created gunpowder, then China and Japan adopted it and created it their own way. Rain's starting to get harder.
Storage space is taken up.
Any more? Maybe. Oh, there's some lightning. Oh, there's one. There's the finale. Nope. There we go. Yes, I'm going to endure the rain till we got the full thing recorded. I know there's more. Oh, oops.